Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check the label and alcohol percentage because potency and tolerance matter. Once confirmed, measure 2 10 drops into 20-30 ml of water. This dilutes the strong mother tincture. Use a clean glass dropper to avoid reactions and never touch the dropper to your mouth. Make sure to record the time and baseline symptoms before the first dose. This helps track effects. If you're taking other meds, pause and consult a clinician before continuing. Once done mixing, take the dose slowly. Aim for 15-30 minutes before or after meals to reduce absorption variability. You should stay still for 30-60 minutes and monitor. Note any improvement, worsening, or new symptoms in a simple log. Make incremental adjustments of 2-3 drops only because small changes can produce different responses. If you feel clear benefit after several doses, maintain frequency. If uncertain, pause and seek guidance to avoid masking important signs. Finish the planned course but reevaluate regularly. Typically review progress every 7-14 days so you know whether to continue or taper. If you experience adverse effects like intensifying symptoms, stop the tincture immediately and record the exact timing, dose, and new signs. This information matters for diagnosis. When things go wrong, consult a qualified practitioner promptly and bring your symptom log and dosing notes. They can help adjust dose, switch remedies, or advise on supportive care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.